Welcome! Today's video features an ornament card using the Christmas Sampler stencil set from the Greetery. Coming up next on Catherine Paper Art. So today I am making a Christmas sampler card, and this is a stencil set from the Greetery. And they give you a guide with suggested colors, but that isn't anything you have to follow if you don't want to. So I'm using my waffle flower grip mat here, and I've cleaned it before getting set up here. I did make some of these earlier, and just to test out some colors, and so I have them set up here. It's a straightforward set. It's a nice set. I don't have exactly the colors that they have in the sampler guide, but I'm starting with the bundled sage. I will go ahead and finish this off camera and be right back. This is the finished card. I stamped it and matted it, and I spritzed it with a little bit of shimmer spray, and I think it came out pretty nice. These are little candles in the windows. So I've decided to try something different with the stencil other than just the stencil guide. I'm still going to use some of the same colors, but I'm also going to change it up a bit. So that's all of the green for now until I get to the darker color. So now I'm going to be using salvaged patina. I'll go ahead and finish inking this off camera and be right back. So this is the finished first stencil. And one thing to keep in mind when you're stenciling, when you're inking up your stencils, is to go in different directions so that you fill in all the nooks and crannies. If you just go in one direction all the time, you are apt to miss little pieces here and there. Okay, that's it. Now to do a sentiment. Okay, I'll go ahead and heat emboss this and be right back. Okay, that's heat embossed, and now I am going to do something different with this. So off screen, I die cut using my Mama Elephant Arches, Creative Cuts arches. And I decided that I would make this center portion into an ornament that can be lifted out and hung on a tree. Okay, so I pressed the ribbon, and I glued it on with some double stick tape, and now I'm gluing the backer panel on. And that's that. Now we'll put a note on the inside that says that the front piece on earth is a removable ornament for them to hang on their tree. And I'll choose a sentiment. Well, of course I didn't get it lined up. There we go. I'll choose a suitable Christmas sentiment, and I'll have a simple Merry Christmas inside also. I'm using tape runner to put this down just to minimize any thickness from the glue. There's that. Oops. Now, I know the font doesn't match the front of the card, but the sentiments are, there's only a few sentiments that match this, and they're too big for the inside of that. And I have no problem changing sentiments for that, and I am just going to put a simple Merry Christmas in here from this Simon Says stamp. This is an older set. One's a Stamp Timber set from a couple of years ago, maybe last year, maybe 2 years ago. I don't know, I can't remember. All right, this is the finished card. And what I did was, instead of stamping and die cutting, I just cut a new panel, stamped on it, and glued it in. And that's much neater. I could have done the same thing with this one, but it's okay. It's fine the way it is. I don't think the recipient will mind. So that is my finished cards. These are no big deal. These are just right along the stencil guide. They're exactly as the Greetery shows, so no creativity there other than what my son suggested, putting in these little candles in the windows, which I thought was a cute idea. I hope you like the video, and I know it's kind of long, but if you did like it, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. And thank you for watching.